In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer: you absolutely need to have screen lock if you want to add face data on this Lenovo. So if you already have one, you can go into Settings, scroll and tap on Biometrics and Passwords instantly. If you don't, go into the same section, but before tapping on face recognition, tap on password and set up your login method. Then go back here, tap on facial recognition, enter your current screen lock, and then scroll all the way down to enable or disable raise to wake option thanks to this icon right next to it. After you decided, hit add, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select done. And when you're ready, make sure that this switcher next to unlock device with facial recognition is blue. Without it, you won't be able to use face unlock to unlock your Lenovo. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!